All right, children. Let's try to solve this competency-based question from Trigonometry grade 10. We get to see this question. What do we have to think as a student here? Trigonometric function निकालना है. Cos theta. Where is my right angle triangle? So first attempt is to figure out which will be that right angle triangle. The clue is already given here. This is theta. So somehow the triangle CEH should be a right angle triangle here. Let's see. If you look at the base of the cuboid, which is a rectangle, and the diagonal of any rectangle can be given by the Pythagoras theorem. So CH square should be equal to L square plus B square. Similarly, CE here is the diagonal of the cuboid. The diagonal of the entire cuboid is given as under root of the length square plus breadth square plus height square. I'm writing in the squared forms though. Now, if we look at EH is H, so EH square is equal to H square. Now, if I look at the triangle CEH here, triangle CEH here, so I can analyze that CE square, which is equal to L square plus B square plus H square, can be actually expressed as CH square plus EH square, because CH is L square plus B square and EH is H square, which means that CEH happens to be the right angle triangle. So once we identified, yes, this is going to be a right angle triangle, then the next step would be to identify what would be the hypotenuse, what would be the base, what would be the perpendicular. So since hypotenuse is the longest side, the length is given as L square plus B square plus H square under root of L square plus B square plus H square. This gives me this direction that hypotenuse is nothing but CE. Similarly, if this is the angle theta, the side adjacent CH will act as base and EH will act as perpendicular here. So now since we have to find cos theta is nothing but base upon hypotenuse or adjacent upon hypotenuse, which can be written as under root of L square plus B square by under root of L square plus B square plus H square. Or we can take a common under root and write L square plus B square by L square plus B square plus H square. Now the second part says, if this figure was a cube, then that means all the sides are equal, which is length is equal to breadth is equal to height. Let's say any variable A. So directly in the cos theta from the part 1, I can write this as L square plus B square as A square plus B A square. Similarly, this can be written as A square plus A square plus A square. Then we can say that the cos theta becomes equal to under root of 2A square by 3A square. Or we can say that root 2 by 3 if this was a cube. Attaching the final solution also. Thank you, children.